Those are dangerous. Those are gonna be dangerous. Hey, it's Jason with Dad's That Cook, and we are in Colorado today with Eric Christensen of Christensen Ranch. That's been around since 1923, raising cattle. Bingo, bango, people, make sure you drink up. We're making drinks. What kind of drink are we making today?
It's called a green lizard.
What?
It's called a green lizard. I learned it at a place called the Poco Loco Ranch in Boerne, Texas.
Poco Loco Ranch. What goes in this green lizard? Let's have it, because I need a drink right now.
It's really simple. It's ice, vodka, limeade, and mint leaves.
So how much limeade did you do? All of it? Just about that?
Yep.
Is that to help pour the, oh, I see what's going on now. You're smarter than the average bear. Or cow.
We're gonna take probably 4 or 5 leaves of that, throw it in there.
And this is the big pour, right?
The big pour.
Now are you gonna put a little mint leaf just on top? You're gonna make it look pretty?
Garnish it?
You know, we'll just throw it in, like so. See, look how pretty that is.
Cheers.
The green lizard.
The green lizard.
Bingo, bango, people. Make sure you drink up. Ready? Those are dangerous. Those are gonna be dangerous. So today we're gonna make a bunch of stuff and we're gonna start with
Brisket sliders.
brisket sliders. So why do you like this cut?
Well, brisket to me is fun because that's the weekend project. Because you can't cook a brisket fast. And it has a lot of marbling in it naturally.
Okay, so your brisket obviously came from Christensen Ranch, right?
Right.
How did you prepare your brisket for these sliders?
Saturday morning, I rubbed it with some Jacobsen sea salt, some black pepper, some garlic pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper, put it back into the refrigerator. Sunday morning, I got it out, basted it a little bit with some Coors beer and a little bit of cayenne pepper, put it on the smoker for about 2 hours, about 180 degrees. Basted it about once an hour with a little more beer. At 2 hours, I put it in an aluminum pan, put a beer bath underneath it so the beer kind of evaporates up into the meat. Did that 2 more hours, and then at 4 hours, I covered it with foil, put some more beer in, and cooked it the remainder of the time.
So now we're just gonna heat it up.
We're gonna heat it up, and we're gonna make some coleslaw next.
Sour coleslaw, right?
It's a family recipe. Named it after my mom, my wife, and my sister, Jane, Jody, and Julie. Triple J coleslaw, sour coleslaw that I just grew up with, and it's just something that it's really easy to make. It's very simple.
So we got some coleslaw in a bowl.
So we're gonna put in some mayonnaise, a little bit of milk. We're gonna put in some apple cider vinegar. So we're just gonna mix it up here in the bowl.
Okay.
So it's mixed. If you wanna grab a fork, we can try it.
Yeah, that's crazy. It's puckery. Barbecue sauce, time to make it happen. And I know you've got some secrets going on here. Let's get into your barbecue sauce. How do you make it? What is it? Tell me all about it, Eric. I need to know. They need to know. Okay. Hurry up, quick.
It's just a barbecue sauce. Came up with a mixture that I really like. It's sweet, it's tangy, it's a little bit hot. 1/4 cup of Jack Daniel's whiskey. We're gonna do a tablespoon of honey.
Oh, that sounds great, Eric.
We're gonna do that. We're gonna do some base barbecue sauce, which is Baby Ray's. Dump it right in there. We're gonna do a 1/2 cup of that. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And so then we're gonna do a 1/2 teaspoon of both onion
What
powder.
color is that?
It's this one right here. I don't have my glasses.
Blue?
on. Nope, it's a yellow one. Garlic powder, same thing. Apple juice.
Apple
that
juice.
one's kind of a,
Like how much you want.
put 1/3 of a cup or a
Not a
quarter,
lot,
somewhere.
right?
Yeah.
Not a lot.
Black pepper, another 1/2 teaspoon. And then the secret one, Dave's Insanity Sauce.
Dave's Insanity Sauce.
And it is hot. We're gonna try to do 1/8 of a
Because
teaspoon.
it's too hot.
It's,
I mean, I would try it, but I'm not going to.
whoop, that's God's plan.
Oh, that's, I don't know. So we got your boy, Tyler.
Yes.
This is Tyler,
Our
right?
son, yes.
Doesn't he look like a kid?
That's spicier than what you made me taste last
That was my problem.
He was in charge of the Dave's
I put
Insanity.
a little extra in there, I think.
Okay.
Is it too much?
Interesting. No.
No? Is your nasal cavities okay? Is it's not sweating on the
They're
top?
okay, but I think Mom.
We'll tone it
might
down.
have something to
We'll
do.
tone her down.
We got some sliders happening here, people. That's what we got. We got brisket, came out. We just heated this bad boy up. Okay, so here's what we got. We've got some brioche, some sunset cheddar, and we're just gonna assemble with a little bit of the slaw that we made a little
Sour
earlier, right?
coleslaw. So we're just gonna slice these buns.
You're gonna slice the buns
Slice them down the middle.
right down the middle.
We're gonna put some brisket on it. We're gonna do that. A little cheese.
Okay.
A little bit of sour coleslaw. We'll get the good stuff down in the bottom. Then,
And you put it in your little handy dandy squeezer bottle. I love
just
that.
like that. Smash her down with the lid.
Should I try a bite?
Absolutely try that.
I love the cheese on it. The cheese and the sour coleslaw. Brisket, I mean, really, I make my mess.
You can just eat it by itself.
You could.